Hey there, Royals. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. Oh my God. Okay, just look at my head. And for those of you that do not follow me on Instagram, my hair has been colored, bleached, what have you. All right, so today's video is going to be about flaxseed gel. All right, I ran out of gel and I decided to make my own because I had flaxseed at home. So why don't you journey with me to my kitchen and just see this really quick tutorial on how I achieved getting my type 4 hair this slick by using flaxseed gel. If you haven't subscribed to me, please go ahead and click that button. I don't need that button to be red. Go ahead and click it. Okay, subscribe, like this video, share this video, and let's get to my kitchen. And then you'll die. Welcome back to my kitchen, dear royals. I am very excited about this very tutorial because it's short and we're only going to be using 2 ingredients, and that's our main ingredients: flaxseed gel. You can get this from Amazon, from your local grocery store. It could be Walmart, HEB, what have you. Now we're only going to be using 1 tablespoon. Flaxseed contains omega-3 fatty acid. This gives us a vital protein and nutrients to our hair follicle. It does boost circulation to the scalp, and it inhibits hair follicle inflammation that induces hair fall. It's also very rich in vitamin E. And what I just did there, I added a cup of water, and it's about 400 ml. So that's a 500 ml cup, but I only added 400 ml. Now note this: if you want your flaxseed gel to be super thick, please reduce the water or increase the amount of flaxseed gel flaxseed you're putting in. But I don't want mine to be super thick, so that's what I did, and I boiled it using low to medium heat. I'm only using that fork, whatever you have, to stir the base of the pot so that it doesn't burn. And please boil it with the lid open so you get more concentrated gel. I love how rich flaxseed is with in vitamin E, because vitamin E, like we know, is great for our skin and our hair. It has this healthy nutrient that promotes the health of the scalp, reducing free radical damages, improves circulation. Of course, it improves hair growth, healthy hair growth. So what I'm doing, I'm not allowing mine to cool off before I strain, because look at the kind of strainer that I'm using. If you allow yours to cool before straining, it gets thick and forms the gel, and then you have to use cheesecloth, and that's a lot of work. So if you just wanted this quick way, you can strain it when it's still warm or a little hot, using this kind of strainer that I used. And now you can see it's not super thick. It's not even thick yet, but look at the rich color. This is an organic flaxseed. Look at the color. So it gives us all the nutrient. So I allowed it to cool, give it some few hours. It's gonna cool off 100%. And this is my gel. I am very happy with this consistency because I wanted water to be in it. Water is moisturizer, and then with the gel, it becomes moisturizing. Now for a natural hair, it's gonna make that hair soft and help you with detangling. Now, so I added a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Please, that is optional. You don't necessarily need all of that. I just wanted an extra shine and sheen in my daughter's hair and in my hair. That's why I did that. And I wasn't going to add any other thing to our hair. That's it. And some people, if you want to add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, maybe for scents or what have you, or for some persons that have irritating scalp, you can use tea tree oil to calm that. But that's it. That's all I did. 2 ingredients. Just 2 ingredients. It's going to really moisturize your hair, treat your hair, soften your hair, curl your hair. This is a before my daughter's hair. And this is after. All I did, I would just spray some water and I used the flaxseed gel. And that was my hair. And now look at that. This is my hair. Picture video did not do my hair a whole lot of justice because it was smooth, sleek, and my hair was super short, but I was able to put it in a pony. Thank you so much, dear royals, for watching that video. All right, please comment below. Would you be making the simple gel? It is moisturizing. It is super good for your hair, the health of your hair. So tell me, will you be making this flaxseed gel? Comment below, and please don't forget to come back next Sunday or whatever next week for another very interesting tutorial. Now, if you are ever interested in growing a healthy, beautiful hair, you're in the right spot. Please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, share this video, and come back. Bye.